open up the sample we got from Sassy Llama Apothecary. They are one of our soon-to-be vendors for the Real Herb Marketplace. I love the fact that she's reusing boxes, because I think reusing and recycling is really important for all of us at this point. There we go. We got lovely, lots of nice filled packaging here. Very cute, beautiful little card there. Set that down. And then here we have some of her tea samples. We've got Belly Soothe True Blue Herbal Tea. And this one has calendula, plantain, chamomile, tulsi, ginger, chocolate, catnip, and orange peel. It's going to be very tasty for helping soothe the stomach and help with digestion. Set that one there. And then the next one we have here is Solace, which is also a true blue herbal blend. And this one is for support during times of grief and hardship. I love the choices she's got here: hawthorn, linden, lemon balm, rose, and tulsi. It's going to be really wonderful. Immunity, True Blue True Brew Herbal Blend, and Inflammation, True Brew Herbal Blend. So I'm not going to read all of the ingredients because you can go to the Sassy Llama Apothecary website or site, shop and see it. And then there's also the Daily Herbal Salve. And I'm going to open this one up. That smells lovely. It's very faint and light in scent, so it's not overly. You can really smell the cotton and the lavender in there a little bit. That's beautiful. Okay, that is fine. So we also have the Evergreen Lip Love. Yum! That's using some Douglas fir and Western cedar. Lovely. Oh. And Cedar Sanitizer Spray. That is beautiful. I'm going to do a little. Oh, that is absolutely lovely. So this is for spritzing on your hands to allow for sanitizing. And I'm probably going to do a little bit of sanitizing the air around my computer. So there we go.